at the guy. He's so silly. Papa.
Yeah.
Papa, give us luck.
I thought you're going to Mama.
Share.
What do you want to share?
Can you share your camera to me?
Of course.
Because
But,
sharing is scary.
yeah, but we are so lucky to arrive here at sunset at Lalimar. The wind is so strong. Ito yung dahilan kung bakit gusto ko ulit gumamit ng DSLR sa mga vlogs ko. Pwede ka mag-extreme zoom na walang compromise sa video quality. Lalimar! It's so windy out here. It's so windy.
Hey, what's this?
It's a rock. Thursday ata to nung nakabalik ulit kami dito sa Marcos Seafood. At namimiss namin tong lugar na to. Timing nung pagpunta namin dahil may live band at napakagandang pakinggan yung mga kinakanta. Good morning! So we're going to a great place today. We're going to... Enzo, where are we going? And after, where are we going after?
To the
To the new mall to
play in the playground.
play in the playroom.
Play in the playground. Papa, wait up. I'm gonna change.
Okay, Enzo will change first. Okay.
I'm gonna change first. You're vlogging by yourself. I'm gonna change.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm not gonna picture you while you change. That's right.
Papa, I'm gonna play for. I'm gonna be there for. I'm gonna play there for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, not 1 hour.
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Only 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I'm sure, Mama, right?
Okay, 10 minutes lang.
Okay, 10 minutes. That would be nice.
Yeah.
If 10 minutes.
Yeah, that's only nice.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Dito ka lang.
It's so funny.
Huh?
Pwede lang siya.
Shut up.
And after that, we're gonna go.
Yeah, we're going na.
Come on, Papa. Eh,
Enzo,
yeah,
are you excited?
I'm excited.
Okay. Lala, watch out, Haka. It's gonna open.
Oh, watch out, it's gonna open. Mama, it's gonna open.
Yeah, watch out.
We have to watch out, it's gonna
There, it's coming down.
Come here now.
Come here.
It's Saturday. Let's go.
Why are you so excited all of a sudden?
Did I like it?
Because you want? We're here.
Yay!
Yay.
Thank you. Thank you, Victor.
Thank you, elevator. At tuminto muna kami saglit dito sa sulfur vent na madadaanan papuntang Red Rock Hot Spring. Bagong structure na yung safety fence, guys, kasi nga nung nakarang taon may landslide ata. Yeah. Ready na biyak ka? Ako ka nag-lotion. Dara.
Tulo ko buok.
Sa pilang bata?
mo ma'am, lamig po din sa table mga nila mo.
Table ito.
I'm so excited
Ah,
to swim,
table.
Mama.
We are in the Red Rock Hot Spring. Yeah.
Red Rock and River. Hey, look at the ocean.
Nasaan na no? Pinakagusto ko dito sa Red Rock Hot Spring ay ang saktong-saktong init ng tubig. Hindi ka talaga lalamigin kahit magbabad ka ng buong araw. Isa pa, ang pagbabad daw sa hot spring ay may therapeutic benefits. Kaya it's good for your body. Pinili namin na dito na area maligo dahil yung isang pool area na nasa itaas ay medyo crowded na at maraming mga taong naliligo doon. Medyo malalim doon sa taas at dito naman ay goods na goods para kay Enzo. Bago kami pumunta dito ay kumain muna kami sa hotel kaya hindi na namin naisipang mag-order pa ng kanilang mga pagkain dito. Plano naming maligo ng mga 30 minutes lang pero umabot kami ng 1 hour kasi nga si Enzo gustong gusto yung init ng tubig at talagang enjoy na enjoy siya sa pagsi-swimming. Kung marami kayo sa isang grupo at plano nyong mag-party dito ay pwede rin naman kayong magdala ng pagkain at kumuha ng cottages o yung table, which ranges from 200 to 500 depending on the size of the group. Sulit na sulit talaga ang swimming experience nyo dito.
Sorry, okay, 60 minutes. But if Mama will say, Enzo, let's go na, you will really go. You understand? Because if
Wala, nagkadaga ng himayo, my love. Enzo! Hanggang sa muli at maraming salamat sa panunood. Ciao!